Hello guys, welcome to our .NET video series. As a part of our video series, we are discussing interview questions. So this video is a continuation part of our interview questions. So today I want to explain some more interview questions in the C sharp. So let me share my screen once. These are the interview questions today I want to discuss with you people. So first one is what are the different ways of creating object? So generally we are creating the object using the new operator. So first one, there are two types of creating objects. One is using new operator, class name, object name equals to new and class name. And the next one is assigning a reference of one object to other object. So class name object name equals to new class object class name, and class name second object equals to first object name. So by assigning the reference of one object to another object also, we can create the uh, object. So let me show. I'm creating one class with giving taking one variable a, and I'm creating the object for class demo with by using the new operator. So just object is created for demo class by using the new operator. So we can fetch the and another way is assigning the references to so demo d2 equals to d. So d2 dot a. So this is the two different ways to create the object for a class. One is using the new operator, and one is using the passing references to the passing the existing object reference to the new reference. And next one is what is a partial class? By default, classes in namespace are created with unique names. So always, but if we want to create a more than one class with the same name, we should mark it as a partial. So if a partial class is defined from some class, automatically all the partial classes with that name also becomes child classes. The what is partial method? A partial method can only created in a partial class. So partial method cannot have any access modifiers. While creating partial method, we don't use any access modifiers, and it can't be virtual, and it can't be abstract, it can't be overridden, and it can't be shadowed. The partial method can access within the classes only. Outside the classes, we cannot access the partial methods. So let me explain this by using one example. I created one class that is demo, and in the next class it is a partial with the test. So I am inheriting demo into test. And so I declare one a variable and one method, that is show method. So in that I created a partial class with the name text. So test. So already we have the test uh, class. So here I am taking another class with the name test. So here is from show method. So it is a partial method. We are created show method is a partial method, and here I'm using a normal method from display method. So we cannot access the partial method outside the class. So we can access within the class. So I am calling that show method in the display method. Test to t equals to new test. Just I created the object for a test class. So let me check the output. So sorry, I need to set as a startup project. Yeah, here I let me execute once. Yeah, so one is output from display method and one is from show method. And that's all about partial method and how and the partial class, how we can implement partial method and the partial class. So in the thank you for watching my video. In the next video, we will discuss some more inter questions in the C sharp. Thank you.